This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Travis Norris. Brand new appliances, brand new floors and sliding doors on main level, and awesome view from back deck. Excellent location close to Turkey Creek, Utah campus in downtown. Amenities with HOA include landscaping, trash pickup, fire department. Subdivision includes pool, full court basketball and tennis courts, and playground. For more information, review the details below or contact Travis Norris at 865-687-1111.